And welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to restart Xfinity Gateway Router. The first thing you need to do is locate your Xfinity Gateway. You'll find the router usually labeled Xfinity or XB model. Next you're going to do is check the back or the bottom, look for the power button if available, or simply unplug the power cable. Next you're going to do is, if it has a power button, press and hold for 5 seconds until the lights turn off. If there is no button, just unplug the power cord from the outlet. This is to power cycle the router. Next, you have to wait for 30 seconds. This clears the router's memory and ensures a full restart. Then you plug the power cable back in or press the power button again. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for all the lights to stabilize. White and green means fully connected. Next, you have to test the Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop to confirm it is working. It is as simple as that. For remote restart, you can simply use the Xfinity app if it's available in your region. So you want to use the app, open the app, select Internet, select Troubleshoot, and select Restart Device, and it will do it. So don't forget to drop a comment if it worked and subscribe for more tech fixes.